Welcome back. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, well, girl, thank you for coming back. So we are gonna, what I'm gonna be talking about today, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my concealers that are currently in my makeup collection. Now, I know everyone has their favorite, y'all. I got my favorite too. If you have not seen that video, I will make sure I link it down below if you want to know what my favorite concealer is as of right now of all times. My favorite concealer, then make sure you go ahead and check out that video. I'll leave it down below in the description box. But yeah, I'm going to share all of my concealers with you guys and let me know what you guys think, and then share your favorite concealer down below in the description box because, if I don't have it, I would like to try it once I get rid of some. So let's jump right into this. So I have all of them in my hands, you guys, all of my concealers right here in my hand. We're going to start off with the obvious one right here. This one right here, Tarte Shape Tape. I know when it first came out, there were some issues a few years ago, and y'all, it just made me not want to try it out. But y'all, I love this concealer, okay? This is one of the concealers I currently have in my collection. I have this in the shade Deep. This is 35N, so it's a neutral undertone. It works for my complexion as a concealer. Really do like this. That's number one. Now, I'm not doing this in order by any means. I'm just pulling and showing you guys. This next one here is from e.l.f. This is their Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I have the shade, I don't know, because I don't remember what shade I picked up. Okay, but this does work for my skin tone, especially when I'm trying to add some hydration underneath my eyes, because for some reason, either I'm sick or something and it's drying out my lower under eye area. I'm going for a hydrating concealer. Do I have a whole lot of hydrating concealers in my collection? No, this is the only one. So that tells you a lot right there. I don't really prefer hydrating one, even though I do love the NARS concealer, which I haven't had that in my collection in a long minute, but I do like this. The next concealer I have in my collection, y'all, yes, is another Tarte concealer. This is the Tarte Ultra Creamy Concealer right here. I know it's super light, but I like using this as my eyeshadow base. This is in the shade 27S Light Medium Sand. That's what the shade is. And I like using this as my eyeshadow base to help make the colors pop. Or if I just want to add a little bit more lightness and brightness to my under eye, then I'll just put, very little bit right underneath there. Next concealer, where you guys, this concealer, I bought this concealer more times than I have repurchased any other concealer. This one right here, this is the e.l.f. Original Camo or 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I have the shade Deep Chestnut. I have bought this shade. I can't even tell you how many times I bought this particular concealer, but I know I bought it more than 5 times already. Yes, that tells you a lot right there. Last but not least, this is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, you guys. This one right here, okay. I like to use this concealer to basically spot conceal, or to do like a no makeup look where I want to look like I kind of have makeup on the natural looking days without really putting on foundation. I'll spot conceal with this, go on about my business, go to work and all this other stuff. Because like right now, y'all, let's be honest, I really don't want to put on a full face of makeup to go to work, and it's hot. Like all this week, it's going to be like above 102 for like the next 6 or 7 days. It's a little too hot to have a full face of makeup on, okay? Especially at work. So if you work with me, I know you know that, it's too hot for all that. All that. It's just too hot. Anyways, this here, I have, like I said, I have the shade Chestnut. I think this is in the shade Chestnut too. Yes, it is. I love these concealers. I will always repurchase them. All right, so that is all for the concealers, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Please go ahead and make sure your bell notification is on if you're already subscribed, so you can always get notified every time I have a new video. You guys, I'm super happy that now you guys know what concealers I currently have in my collection. I'll leave all of them down below in the description box along with the shades. So if you're close to my skin tone or around my skin tone, or you're just curious to see what I have and what shades I use, they'll be down below in the description box, and I will try to add them to every single video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.